Mateta ma Onjoria ya meyumiritie thutha wa guikara thiku 10 matari na maai mikawa-ini yao undu uria ucungiriirie gikaro kia na ihenya niguo gucaria kihonia gia thina uyu kuona ti hindi wambiriria.
This is terrible. This is terrible. This is unacceptable at all. So whoever is concerned, be it Mawasco, be it whoever the local government, whoever is, we are informing you that we are really not happy with the situation. If the owners of hotel close because of water, very shameful thing. That's a very shameful thing to happen.
As we are requesting, this thing should not be happen again, and we want a guarantee from you people who will going to be compensate about our losses. Secondly, we are the heaviest payer. We are the one first payers to the Mawasco, even the KPLC. Why we are not getting that services? Kindly let us know.
Niguo kuhingia mabataro ma ageni aria makoretwo magikinya mikawa-ini no, Onjoria ya maugite makoretwo makigura maai kuma na nja, undu uria ucungiriirie hathara nene, makiuga ica ikuhi mahota kuhinga mawira maya.
This has to stop. It is not possible to continue to run industries in this area with no water. And this is an argument between two government agencies. This is not because the stakeholders are refusing to pay.
Ngwataniro nimoritie thirikari ya kaunti orodo umwe na honge iria irũmbũyanagia na maundu makoniĩ maai gucaria kihonia kia na ihenya o ta uria kwahoteka. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.